Hey everyone, today I will show you how to pay your rent using your SBI credit card in just a few simple steps. To pay rent with your SBI credit card, you will need to use a third-party rent payment service like CRED, No Broker, or Red Grip. These platforms allows you to pay rent using a credit card and they forward the payment to your landlord. Then download one of these apps or visit their website. For this example, let's use CRED. Sign in and register using your phone number and email. Once you are logged in, add your landlord bank account details, the monthly rent amount, and any other necessary information. Now, when you proceed to payment, choose your SBI credit card as the payment method, enter your credit card details, and complete the transaction. Once the payment is processed, the platform will transfer the rent to your landlord's bank account and you will receive a confirmation message or email. And that's it. You have successfully paid your rent using your SBI credit card. Keep an eye on your statement for the payment details and thanks for watching.